G'day folks, Brett from Tentworld here. Today I wanted to talk to you about the Led Lenser H7R.2 headlamp, and I've got it on at the moment and it's very comfortable. It weighs in at about 165 grams. It has one main high-powered LED on the front here, which provides you with up to 300 lumens down to 20 lumens. The reason why I say that is it's actually dimmable using a dial on the rear. The lighting range can be from up to 160 meters down to 50 meters, depending on with your focus on the front here and your dimmability. The battery duration, depending on how you've got it set, can last up to 30 hours down to 4 hours. As mentioned before, it's dimmable. It's also adjustable on the front here, which you can tilt down and up. When you're hiking, you can also use it to focus in and out on certain areas. So you've got a wider scope and then a narrow scope. Good for if you're walking around, and then if you need to check out some wildlife up in some trees, you can narrow it right in and check them out. There's one main switch on the front here, which you're able to select the high and low beam. On the back, as I said before, there's a dial. You can press that and it actually illuminates a red color, just allows people to see you from the rear. There's also a transportation lock, which just prevents the light from being turned on inadvertently as well. The unit itself is actually rated to IPX6, which means that it's protected against heavy splashing and rain, and it comes with the Led Lenser 7-year warranty, which is great.
Just wanted to do a bit of an unboxing, so let's get stuck into it and see what's inside. Straight up, we've got the headlamp itself, and on the back of the head strap you've got the compartment for where the battery actually goes into. I'll show you a bit more in a second. Under here we have the actual Led Lenser battery, which will go into the actual compartment here. In a second I'll show you that. You have the USB cable as well as the socket for the wall. So when you're connecting this up, obviously this battery is in here. When you're recharging the battery, there's a port on the side here for your cable to go into. That's pretty much how you recharge it. What else is in the box is mainly you've got your instruction manual for the headlamp itself, and a few other stickers, a few other things in here. So.
Now, if you'd like to find out more information on this product, please go to the Tentworld website, which is www.tentworld.com.au, or go into one of our local stores and talk to our friendly staff. Cheers.